Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2025 Subaru BRZ, stock number 7295. Strength on the 10th 2021 to the current shape. Is an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 18-inch factory America tyre, front bonnet, left-hand tail light, rear boot lid, no dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory America tyre, right front door, no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory America tyre, right front headlight, right front door cone, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,